Alright, good morning people. Today I'm gonna go make a bad financial decision, but probably not today. I'm just gonna go look at my bad financial decision and determine if I want to make that bad financial decision, which I probably do. So maybe you'll see the car when we get there. Maybe we won't. I don't want to be that guy with the camera.
But you are that guy with the camera.
But that's kind of my job, so it's probably what I'm going to do. But we'll see you when I get there. Stuff is some Dunkin'. Let's go get the car. We're not getting it. We're going to go see the car.
You're really bad at this.
I don't know how to vlog. I'm not a vlogger. I just edit the vlogs.
Neither am I.
I just point the camera at you. Yeah, I don't know. Just pulled up to the Z Plug. So they're electric Z's, and electric converted Z's.
You plug them in. This is the only place that you can plug them in.
This is it. So you come back here to charge them.
Take them out for 200 miles.
Bring them back. Charge them up.
Yep.
Gotta get the plug. All right, so here it is. It's the 2009 370. It's got a little door damage here. Back glass. It's kind of goofed. You can kind of see the roof is pushed into. The rest of the car isn't bad though, so it's really just the door. The door, the A-pillar, the curtain airbag is off, and besides that, it's not bad. It's already got an exhaust and stuff on there, but there's a cat. Hello. Hi. For the price, I can't really pass it up. So we'll be back next week with some money to come get it. So stupid.
So stupid. So dumb.
Several days later.
Alright guys, so the Z's finally back. The last couple of days I got all the paperwork and stuff done, and the Z's at the house now, so it's time to get started on doing everything to it. First drift event is Saturday, today's Wednesday, so we got a lot of work to do, but we're gonna move some stuff around, get it in the garage, and start working on it. So alright, so the car actually already has Greddy, I think it's the Race RS exhaust. It's a little ovaled right now, but it still sounds good. So this is a little cold start. There you go.
Thanks. So, cold start.
after it got dropped off, and there's like a pretty good shaking going. So we just pulled the wheels off to try to see if we could see anything bent. But I don't really see anything out of the ordinary besides that. So I'm gonna go get some RPF ones that I have on the STI and throw them on the front and see if that fixes my issue. And if not, I'm gonna try to go get an alignment on it or something to see if that can help. And could just be the wheels. I don't know how long they've been sitting. The tires could just be flat spotted or something. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. All right, so here's the RPF ones on the car. A little bit of a poke, but little fenders and
Drop it on some
see what happens.
BC Racing coilovers,
Yeah.
and then
What's up? What else?
well, I mean that's what's gonna fix the fitment, and then we're gonna put an angle kit on it, which is gonna f the fitment.
No, actually, it shouldn't. That kit shouldn't bring it out too bad.
Okay.
It's not like a Wise Fab or anything yet. Maybe eventually. And I'll have to get like over fenders or something. But
I'm immediately going.
how are you going? Oh wow. But yeah, so we're gonna go for a ride and see. I mean, we're gonna go for a ride in the driveway because we're not driving it on public roadways. That's what we're not doing. And
It's kind of scary because the neighborhood's technically a public roadway.
yeah, it's okay.
What the f happened to the hood?
I don't know. I have no idea. It's a little wavy. This is art. This side of the car is like decently clean. Like there's not too many scratches and the paint's not too bad, but the other side's a different story. Alright guys, so the wheels fixed it. Before the wheel was like shaking all over the place and pulling pretty hard to the left, but now it drives fairly straight. The wheel is a little off, but I mean it's good enough. So I don't know, we'll probably go get it aligned, maybe. I mean, it's not bad.
Okay, the cops called us in my neighborhood.
No, never. Sick, dude. I'm so psyched about that. I thought it was gonna be like some suspension stuff or something, but nice.
Wheels done did it. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit. Jesus Christ. So bad. So horrible.
Dude, I'm so happy. I'm so glad that fixed it. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use those wheels as spares now though.
No.
Because if they're
Yeah.
then there's no way.
No.
That sucks though. Maybe I can find some on the marketplace for cheap, just so I can have some extra spares.
I mean, having two sets of wheels is fine. You have the ones that are on there now, and then you have the other Enkeys.
With the other Enkeys are screwed up, and I don't want to use those tires for the back.
True.
They're too sticky.
Yeah.
Dang, dude, I'm so hyped. Dude, it's really body roll. It's gonna be like weight transfer all over the place. I'm gonna go around one more time because I'm excited.
Okay. What happens?
So one thing I'm sure most 370s don't have is this, which is a trailer hitch. So I'm gonna have to get a little trailer for some tires for drift days and stuff. I don't know if that's what this was used for before, but the car also has a let's break. It has a Mishimoto oil cooler in there as well, so it's a nice bonus. I don't really know how much you can see, but I got both the half shafts off, and now there's one up there by like the diff, I guess we call it the diff bushing, or up there that I'm pulling off. But I'm gonna go get some PB blaster, so I don't want to break it. And then there's the two up front, and that's it. They'll be out. I had to pull the exhaust off a little bit because I don't know if you have a stock exhaust, it probably is different, but yeah. Anyways, gonna run to AutoZone and then PB blast that, wait a little bit, and then try to get it off. Alright, boys and girls, she's out. It was a big pain in the butt, but thanks to Dwayne. Right, Dwayne? Yeah. We did it. Good job, Michael.
I supervised.
He was really good with the moral support and the everything else. But now we're gonna crack it open and clean it out so that I can go get it welded so I can do mad skids. Something like that.
Something like that.
Something like that. Get a drift car, Dwayne.
He's got me out of
Yeah, fix that Miata. Hey. Alright, what's up, boys? No. Anyways, we got the diff out. I sprayed it down with some brake cleaner. Friday, I'm gonna go over to another Mike's house and he's gonna weld it for me. And we'll throw it back in, and that's like end of the prep besides getting the door fixed and the hatch and the side skirt and the A-pillar. RPF ones look sick. There's dog poop on it because I rolled through the grass. But yeah, that's it. So, I don't know what we're doing next. Probably Saturday, drift event. It'll be sick. I'm gonna spin out a lot.
Well, we're gonna be doing the door and the...
I just said that. Yeah. Anyways.
I was too busy doing this.
I know. But yeah, that's about it. I only have one pair of wheels, so maybe I'll try to find some more before then, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. I don't care if you do it or you don't. Love me. No, kidding. Don't. Goodbye.